What exactly is computing? Is it just using a computer, or is it something bigger? In this video, I'll explain what computing is, give simple examples, and show where you see it in daily life. In simple words, computing is using computers to process information and solve problems. It includes hardware like phones, laptops, tablets, and servers. Software like apps and programs. The data like the information we use and store. People like users, programmers, engineers. So computing isn't just one device. It's the whole activity of taking input, processing it, giving output, and often storing the result. Imagine you open the calculator app on your phone and type 15 plus 27. Your numbers are the input. The phone uses its processor to calculate. It shows 42 as the output. That simple action is computing. The same idea happens when YouTube recommends a video, a Google Maps finds the fastest route, a bank app checks your balance. All of that is computing. Most computing follows 4 basic steps. Input, getting data into the device, like keyboard, touch, microphone, camera. Processing, the computer works on the data, like calculating, sorting, searching. Output, showing the result, like screen display, sound, notifications. Storage, saving data for later, like phone memory, hard drive, cloud. These steps happen extremely fast, millions of times per second. Computing is everywhere. On your phone, like apps, games, social media. In school, through online classes and learning apps. In banking, by ATMs, UPI, and online payments. In health, through hospital systems and medical scans. In transport, through GPS, traffic apps, and smart cars. At home, through smart TVs, smart speakers, and Wi-Fi routers. If a device is taking data, processing it, and giving a result, it's doing computing. Computing is important because it saves time, reduces errors, automates boring tasks, connects people around the world, powers new tech like AI, robots, and smart devices. So, computing is simply using computers and technology to handle information and solve problems. If this helped you understand computing, comment your opinion, like the video, and subscribe my YouTube channel and also follow my Facebook page. Thanks for watching.